Good afternoon, children. Today we will discuss reflection of light. Before we start this topic, what do you mean by optics? Optics means study of nature and propagation of light. Optics means study of nature and propagation of light is called optics. Optics. There are two types of optics: ray optics, wave optics. Ray optics deals with nature of particles of light. Wave optics as consider light is a wave. So we will discuss ray optics. Now, ray optics means study of nature and propagation of light is called ray optics. Now, question is, what do you mean by reflection of light? What do you mean by reflection of light? Reflection of light means when the light ray incident smooth plane bouncing back to the same medium is called reflection of light. This is a incident ray, a ray incident on a smooth plane. OA is the incident ray, OB is the reflected ray, and this is normal. So this angle is known as I, or this is R. Now question is, what is I? I is known as angle of incidence. Yani incident ray makes an angle with normal is called angle of incidence, and reflected ray makes an angle with normal is called R. R means angle of reflection. Now question is, what is the law of reflection of light? First law, angle of incidence is equal to angle of reflection. Yani I equal to angle R. This is first law. First law. Now second law, incident ray, reflected ray, normal at the point of incidence, all are lie in same plane. This is the second law. So there are two laws. First, I equal to R. You can say angle of incidence equal to angle of reflection. Second law, incident ray, reflected ray, normal at the point of incidence, all are lie in same plane. Okay? Thank you. Yes. Now, question is, what is spherical mirror? Spherical mirror is a part of hollow sphere whose one side is reflected, other side is opaque. Suppose this is a sphere, this is center, a cut, the shape of this like, and polished outside. This is center. Such a type mirror is known as concave mirror. It means there are two type of mirror. First is concave mirror, and second is convex mirror. Type of mirror. Types of mirror. First is concave, second is convex. Now question is, what is convex or what is concave? Very simple definition. This is concave, and this is convex. Now question is, concave mirror means whose reflecting surface toward the center of the sphere, of which mirror is part, and its convex mirror whose reflecting surface is away the center of sphere. It is clear? So there are the two type of mirror, concave and convex. Now some important definition. First, what do you mean by pole? What is pole? Pole means it is the midpoint of the spherical mirror. It is called pole. Now question is, what is center of curvature? C is called center of curvature. Center of curvature is a center of a sphere of which mirror forms a part. Is called center of curvature. So second definition is principal axis. Principal axis. What is principal axis? A line joining pole and center of curvature is called principal axis. The distance between P and C, pole and center of curvature, is R. That is also known as radius of curvature. That is denoted R. So, fourth definition is, what is the principal focus? Yani focus. This is a concave mirror. This is principal axis. This is pole. A ray parallel to the principal axis strike mirror. After striking, they pass a point, that is focus. Yani ray of light parallel to the principal axis strike the mirror. After striking, or you can say after reflection, they meet a point. That point is known as principal focus. Or the distance between P and F is known as focal length. This is denoted F. Or this is a center of curvature. So PC equal to R, PF equal to F. So there is some relation between R and F. That relation, F equal to R by 2. This is the case of concave mirror. Now in convex, this is a convex. A ray parallel to the principal axis. This is also a ray parallel to the principal axis. They reflect, appear to be meet, not actually meet, appear to be. This is focus. This is the figure of convex mirror. This distance is also focal length P to F. So there are some important definitions: pole, center of curvature, radius of curvature, principal axis, and principal focus. And relation between F and R. F is equal to R by 2. A simple question asked. The radius of curvature of convex mirror is 40. What is focal length? 40 cm. What is focal length? Use formula. That is 20 centimeter. It is okay? Yes. Now next topic, image formation. There are some important rules. First important rule. First rule. This is a concave mirror. This is the pole. This is center. A ray of light parallel to the principal axis after striking, or after reflection, pass through focus. This is first law. Clear? Second, a ray. Second law. This is pole. This is F. This is C. Pass through focus. Focus. parallel to the principal axis. This is second. Third, a ray pass through center of curvature, undeviated ray. After reflection, pass through same path. This is the third law. Now fourth, a ray, this is a pole, they obey law of reflection. This angle equal to this angle. So these are the four laws. First, second, third, fourth. Now question is image formation. That means there are the two type of image, real image and virtual image. Types of image. Types of image. First, real. Second, virtual. Now question is, what is real image? Real image means when two or more ray of light parallel to the principal axis, after refraction or refraction, they actually meet, real image is formed. Two or more ray of light after reflection or refraction, they appear to be meet, not actually meet, virtual image is formed. Real image always formed inverted, virtual image always formed erect. It is clear, real image obtained on the screen, virtual image cannot obtain on the screen. Now, image formation, so there are six conditions. Six conditions. First condition, when object is placed at F. Focus. Image formed in infinity. Image formed at infinity. Real, inverted or enlarged. This is first condition. Now in the reverse way, suppose, now ray diagram, this is a mirror, object is placed focus, this is focus, this is parallel to the principal axis, after reflection pass through focus, and another ray, so image is formed in infinity. Clear? This is first case. Now, second case, object is placed at infinity. Object is placed at infinity. Image formed, focus. Image formed, F. Real, inverted और small size यानी diminished. Clear? Diagram in such a way. Suppose this is object, parallel ray, after reflection pass through focus, parallel ray, after reflection pass through focus, image is formed. So this is the second condition. Now there are six conditions. Third condition, object is placed at C. Object is placed at C. Image is also formed at C. Image is also formed at C. Real inverted, same size. Real inverted, same size. In such a way. This is the third condition. Fourth condition, object is placed between C and F. Object is placed between C and F. F, C. Image formed beyond C. पोल से पास कराओ, beyond C. Real, inverted and large in size. Now in the reverse way, object is placed beyond C, image formed between C and F. In last, F, C, beyond C, parallel to the principal F, pass through focus, this is focus, second ray, so image formed between C and F, real image diminished. Now in last condition, object is placed between C and P, between ये F C, यहां रख दिया ऑब्जेक्ट, पैरेलल टू द प्रिंसिपल एक्सिस, पास थ्रू फोकस. अब आपको एक्सटेंड करना पड़ेगा, नॉट एक्चुअली मीट, दिस इज इमेज, दिस इज द इमेज, वर्चुअल, इरेक्ट, बिहाइंड द मिरर. So there are the 6 conditions for image formation. Now in last, what is mirror formula? Mirror formula means this is a mirror, this is object, suppose this is image, this distance is u, this distance is v, suppose this is f, this distance is f. So it is the relation between object distance u, image distance v, and focal length of spherical mirror is called mirror formula. 1 upon v plus 1 upon u equal to 1 by f. Now there are some important sign convection rule. First rule, all the distance measured from pole. Yes, all the distance measured from pole. Second rule, the distance measured in the direction of incident light are taken positive, and distance measured opposite to the incident light are taken negative. The object, this is object, positive. Object placed upward, perpendicular to the principal axis, positive. Image from downward direction is taken negative. These are the some important sign convection rules. So today we will discuss reflection of light, law of reflection, spherical mirror, image formation, and mirror formula. Now in last question, this is the homework question. Write 3 uses of concave mirror and 2 use of convex mirror. You know very well the use of concave mirror in shaving mirror, solar cooker, searchlight, and dentist. Now in use of convex mirror, it is used in automobiles like car and scooter. Yes, thank you very much. Okay.